let's put it together. I think it goes to the back. We first make it nicely round. Oh. Not as easy as it looks. Yeah, now I got it. Cool. Good. A little bit easier, but I think I should remove even more. But it's definitely easier improvement. I will use it for a while, and If it's not good enough, I will repeat the process and remove more. Maybe I can do it without taking out the blade now, because this is already grinded. This is good. The front part, just probably with the angle grinder, I will take more here. And then smoothen it out. Yeah, it feels much better. I don't have any hot spots. Now it's good. Just maybe opening it a little bit more, but now it's better. Maybe I will leave it like this. So this came in a nice box and pouch, probably against mold, a plastic bag against mold. I can use this. Very nice. Let's see how much does it weigh after the modification. 76. Like 4.5 inches or a bit more, and this is 106 or 100, yeah, or less 106 centimeters is the handle, and the blade, that should be still 8 centimeters or 3.15 inches. And let's measure it in ounces. 2.65 ounces. I really like that it's flat. It's quite grippy. If you like to smoothen it out with sandpaper, it goes easily. Not too thick. I think 11 millimeters. It's hollow. It's nicely skeletonized. CJRB knows how to do the handle to make it lightweight, and with this it's comfortable. Blade shape is phenomenal. I really like it. I would love it even more if the cutting edge would come closer to here. Yeah. Anyway, almost spear point. I really like it, and I like the satin. Really nice. Jimping feels good. There are no sharp edges. Clip is really tough. So compared to Osage Raccoon and Pyrite standard, I like more the blade shape here and thumbstat without the hole. This feels really good. Only problem I had is that maybe for my taste this is too thick. It feels really robust and I wouldn't be afraid to use it for a longer period of time. The handle is comfortable for longer usage. The downside of the comfortable for use is it's thicker and not as easy to carry. This one, if you will compare like this, maybe you can see the thickness difference. This pyrite I smoothed out with a sandpaper, so it's even maybe slimmer. This one inside in G10, or it's hidden in the G10, so it goes around. This is exposed. This is also hidden. The raccoon has longer cutting edge and the blade itself is longer. Yeah, it's a bigger, more robust knife, easier to open with the thumbstat. This one is slimmer, so it's easier to carry if you need a small knife and you want to modify the handle, because otherwise, at least this was too big. The handle, there was not enough opening for the thumb hole. You won't get this problem with the raccoon. It's really nice and easy to open and close with a button lock. If you want solid knife, then probably go with this one. If you want more lightweight knife and you don't need as long cutting edge, then probably with this one. Yeah, pyrite head has a bit different blade shape. This is more standard drop point. This is almost like a spear point. So the slimmest, lightest weight, easiest to operate. This is really good. Probably the most favorite of all three. This is maybe for harder work. This is like the best favorite for carrying and having around. Maybe I will smoothen out also this handle so that it's like on my pyrite. I like the blade shape more. Let's see which one has longer cutting edge. I think the pyrite, oh no, more or less they are the same. And this one is for sure easier to operate because of the button lock. This crossbar could be more difficult to close on itself. Probably it's more solid. There's three beautiful EDC knives. I can only recommend all of them. Yes.